Let's get our warm-up done first. Starting off with boxer shuffle. This one's a bit different from jogging, you wanna get that slight rotation going in those hips. We're gonna do step jacks next. Couple seconds left. Step jacks. Keep those knees slightly bent, and parallel to each other. Half point. Keep it going. Alright, warm-up's all done. Let's move on to our workout, starting off with double donkey kicks. Double donkey kicks. Always try to land softly on those toes, don't just drop those feet down with a thud. Half point. Keep it going. About 3 seconds. Active rest, recover as best as you can. We've got rocket jump squats next. Rocket jump squats. Try to land softly, heels first on the ground. Halfway through. Just a bit longer. Last few seconds. Active rest, don't stop moving. We've got burpee curls next. Burpee curls. Nice solid form on those burpees, core brace throughout. Halfway through. Just a bit longer. About 3 seconds. Active rest, recover as best as you can. We're gonna do fast feet next. Fast feet. That lower back should stay flat and active. Halfway through. Just a bit longer. Last few seconds. Active rest, take a short little break. We're gonna switch to burpees next. Burpees. Keep those abs nice and solid the whole time, to protect that lower back as you jump those legs behind you. Halfway done. Do your best. About 3 seconds. Active rest, take a short little break. Doing jumping jacks next. Jumping jacks. Brace that core to keep that torso nice and stable. Halfway through. Just a bit longer. Three, 2, 1. Active rest, take a short little break. We're gonna do skater hops next. Skater hops. Swing your arms, to help keep your balance. Halfway through. Just a bit longer. Three, 2, 1. Back to that active rest, keep moving. We're gonna switch to Inchworm Crawl next. Last seconds of work, keep pushing through. Keep those abs tight, quads active, legs straight. This is our half point. Keep pushing through. Last seconds. That was our last interval for today, just need to get our cool down done. Doing wall arm stretch next. And now, for a well-deserved cool down. We're doing wall arm stretch first. Switch sides. Adjust your distance from the wall to maintain a consistent, but comfortable stretch. About 3 seconds. Halos. Brace those abs and obliques well, to keep your torso nice and stable. Halfway done. Do your best. We're finished with this whole workout. Well done!